Before we jump into today's incredible topic, a small but heartfelt request from my side to yours. If you're enjoying this journey of learning with me, please consider subscribing to this channel. Every single subscription isn't just a number, it's my biggest motivation to keep creating, to keep bringing you more videos just like this one. It tells me you're here, you're curious, and you want to learn together. And if you don't want to miss anything, especially the new videos coming your way, don't forget to hit that bell icon right next to the subscribe button. That way, YouTube will notify you the moment I upload. Thank you so much for your support. It truly means the world. All right, let's jump right into it. The cornea is your eye's transparent protective windshield and primary focusing element. This clear dome-shaped structure covers the front of your eye, and its curved surface acts as a powerful lens, bending incoming light rays to start the focusing process. Made of 5 specialized layers without blood vessels, it gets oxygen directly from the air. The cornea not only protects your eye from dust and germs, but also provides about 65 to 75% of your eye's total focusing power. Any damage to this delicate structure can cause significant vision problems, which is why it's one of the most commonly transplanted tissues in the world. The choroid. The choroid is your eye's vascular lifeline, a dark brown membrane filled with blood vessels that lies between the sclera and retina. This middle layer delivers oxygen and nutrients to the outer layers of the retina, while removing waste products. Rich in melanin pigment, the choroid absorbs excess light to prevent internal reflections that would blur your vision. It also helps regulate eye temperature and plays a crucial role in maintaining retinal health. The choroid's extensive blood supply makes it susceptible to inflammation and other conditions that can affect overall eye function. The lens is your eye's internal focusing mechanism, a remarkable transparent structure that fine-tunes your vision. Suspended behind the iris, this flexible biconvex disc changes shape through a process called accommodation, allowing you to focus on objects at varying distances. When you look at something near, the lens becomes thicker and rounder. When gazing at distant objects, it flattens out. The lens continues to grow throughout your life, adding layers that can eventually become less flexible, leading to presbyopia, the need for reading glasses as we age. The retina is your eye's sophisticated film or sensor, a light-sensitive layer that converts visual information into electrical signals. This neural tissue lining the back of your eye contains specialized photoreceptor cells called rods and cones. Rods handle low-light vision and detect motion, while cones are responsible for color vision and fine detail in bright light. The retina processes this visual data through multiple cell layers before sending it to the brain via the optic nerve. The central part of the retina, called the macula, gives you your sharpest central vision for reading and recognizing faces. The optic nerve serves as your eye's data cable, transmitting visual information from the retina to your brain. This bundle contains approximately 1.2 million nerve fibers, each carrying specific visual data. The point where the optic nerve exits the eye creates a blind spot in your visual field, though your brain cleverly fills in this gap. Unlike other nerves, the optic nerve is considered part of the central nervous system. Damage to this crucial pathway, often from conditions like glaucoma, can cause permanent vision loss since these nerve fibers cannot regenerate. The iris. The iris is the beautifully colored muscle that gives your eyes their distinctive appearance and functions as your eye's automatic aperture. This circular structure, with its intricate pattern, controls the size of the pupil to precisely regulate how much light enters your eye. In bright conditions, the iris contracts to make the pupil smaller, reducing light intake. In dim lighting, it expands to allow more light to reach the retina.
The iris contains pigment that determines eye color, with brown eyes having more melanin than blue or green eyes. This remarkable muscle works continuously without you even thinking about it. The optic nerve serves as your eye's data cable, transmitting visual information from the retina to your brain. This bundle contains approximately 1.2 million nerve fibers, each carrying specific visual data. The point where the optic nerve exits the eye creates a blind spot in your visual field, though your brain cleverly fills in this gap. Unlike other nerves, the optic nerve is considered part of the central nervous system. Damage to this crucial pathway, often from conditions like glaucoma, can cause permanent vision loss since these nerve fibers cannot regenerate. Vitreous humor. The vitreous humor is your eye's internal gel filling, a transparent substance that maintains your eye's shape and optical properties. This clear gel, consisting mostly of water with collagen and hyaluronic acid, fills the space between the lens and retina. It helps transmit light to the retina and provides cushioning for delicate structures. As we age, the vitreous humor can liquefy and shrink, sometimes causing floaters, those tiny specks that drift across your vision. This gel remains relatively stable throughout life, with little turnover compared to other eye fluids.